I'm Naisha McCauley, and you're watching AccessTV.org.
Welcome to the Grassroots Business Journal. This is the segment called Pitch Your Business. I'm your host, Paul Willis. Today, our guest is Mike Kaiser from the Entrepreneurship Circle. Mike, nice to have you.
Thanks for having me, Paul.
Tell us about your business.
The Entrepreneur Circle exists to work with owners, presidents, and CEOs of small-ish, privately held businesses. We offer peer advisory boards, executive coaching, and peak performance training. For people that aren't familiar with peer advisory boards, some people know them as mastermind groups. We happen to call them roundtables. But these are small groups, 6 to 8 people. They're the owner, the president, or the CEO, and they meet on a monthly basis in a very confidential, structured think tank type of forum where they act as one another's board of directors, board of advisors. So they share wisdom, they share experience, they help one another solve problems, they discuss issues that are relevant to each other's business, like key hires, mergers, acquisitions, different issues that come up but are common among business owners. It's kind of that place where the aha moments take place, where people say, geez, I never thought of that before. That's a great idea. Why didn't I think of that in the past? So we offer these peer advisory boards. We also do one-on-one executive coaching that exists to help people stay focused on their goals, eliminate the head trash, manage themselves through situations, through crises, make sure they're staying focused on the right behaviors, the right attitudes, that sort of thing. And we've measured this over time. When people participate in one of our roundtable groups, that we found that their business grows on average 37% per year. So most of them find significant growth beyond what they were doing before being part of a roundtable group. And again, it's because they hear those ideas that they wouldn't have thought of on their own. Or people offer them a suggestion that ends up saving them a lot of money, or something that makes their business more efficient. In fact, to give an example, in one of our groups, we had somebody that had a great deal of corporate executive experience and small business ownership experience. And I asked him one time flat out, why are you in a roundtable? And I said, you have more business experience than anybody in the E-Circle. Why are you in a roundtable? And he said, oh, that's easy. He said, have you ever watched somebody implement some great strategy or come up with some great idea and you said to yourself, why didn't I think of that? And he said, but we simply can't think of everything on our own. But when I'm in my roundtable, somebody else has thought of it, they've experienced it, they've been through it, and I don't need to reinvent the wheel.
How can they get in touch with you?
They can check us out. You can send me an email, mike@theecircle.com. 2 E's, mike@theecircle. Just go to our website, theecircle.com, or it can just give me a call, 860-781-7005.
Great. That again was Mike Kaiser from the Entrepreneurship Circle on Pitch Your Business.